Hi everyone. Right now Robert and I are gonna go to Ikea and we're gonna pick up my Hemnes white bookcase and I'm really excited. So I just thought that I would vlog a little bit of that. There's the Ikea sign. I'm so excited. I actually really like this frame too. The frame. I like how their frames are cheap. I like the mirror, and I like those cool, what are these? Are shelves obviously, but bridging. Oh, it's very cool. Unavailable? Is it really? Hang on, let me look at the sides. See, I feel like, I don't know if that's called crowning or molding when it's on like furniture, but it looks so cool. Alright, we're gonna try to figure this out because it's saying that it's temporarily unavailable. So yeah, we'll be back. Okay, this is one of the mirrors that I was wanting to get, but as you can see, it's just the frame, which I did not realize. Robert's gonna look on the website to see what it says. It says oval white. But yeah, I guess it is just a frame, and they have the one in black, which is more expensive, which is weird, but I want the white one. And they're all right here. So I don't know if I put a mirror into it or if they sell something separately that is a mirror. I feel like they just sell the frame and you have to put a mirror in it. I don't know. So I'll have to figure that out. I really like that frame and I might want to get that. And look at this. We're at Home Goods right now. I don't think I really need that, but I really like it. And then look at this whole section. Oh, it's like a... Oh, how much is that? Okay, this crib is 40. And those lamps. And the castle. That's pretty cute. I really like that too, but I think it's... I just looked at the price. How much was it? 30, yeah. Oh, I love that. Oh, do you see that cupcake? Oh my. Look at the cupcake bank.
It's 600. It's really nice.
Man, I like this a lot, but it's 50. I don't know. I feel like the prices aren't actually that cheap. Oh my goodness. Okay, I really like this. I really like this, Robbie. It's leather. It's not like, I don't know. Well, faux leather maybe. I don't know. It's 130. I love it. Okay, this is $20. And I would want to use it to put in front of a picture of like a circus animal or something, because it totally looks like the circus like train things, or like the circus cages from Dumbo, and like, I don't know, that's what it reminds me of. Super cool, but it's 20 bucks, so we found macarons at Home Goods. And I know for sure we're gonna get some. Okay, vanilla. That's what I'm thinking.
Cancel, Chriselle. Thank you.
Oh no, those ones are broken. Oh, they don't have another. Oh, Robbie. So yeah, pretty excited. Okay, the hubby and I are back home. It was a little bit disappointing because we went there for obviously the bookcase and they didn't have that. And then I showed the white frame that I thought was a mirror, but apparently they only have, it's called the Ung Drill frame, and there's an Ung Drill mirror, and the mirror only comes in black and the frame only comes in white, which I find very strange that they wouldn't have like color options. So they didn't have that. And then I will show the mirror that I want to get. It's a full body length mirror, and it didn't say that it was unavailable, but we looked at the aisle number and the bin number and we went to it, and guess what they were out of? That. So it was 3 things that were all out of stock, so that kind of sucked. But we went to Home Goods and we got a couple of things that I will show. So we got these, and it says macaroon, but I've kind of done my research on that, and macarons are the cookies, and macaroons are like a different kind of cookie, but maybe they spell it differently or have like a different word for it in other countries. I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah, so we got these in the, it's almond meringues with champagne flavor cream filling, and you can see that one's broken, but that's okay. These ones, see, this one says macarons. I knew I wasn't crazy. And then these are vanilla and, let's see, macarons with almonds and bourbon vanilla. Oh, bourbon? Okay. And then this was only $3. How cool is that? It's got the carousel packaging, and it's a hot chocolate set, and it says that it has, let's see, there we go. It's got mini marshmallows, mint hot chocolate, classic hot chocolate, and orange hot chocolate. I've never had orange hot chocolate, so I'm kind of like super curious about that. But yeah, only $3, so that was pretty cool. And those, like I said, were all from Home Goods. So that's what we got. We will probably have to go back at another time to Ikea. And my husband was telling me to just give a tip that when you are going to get something from Ikea, just go on the website and check your location to make sure that it's in stock. He already did that like a couple of days ago, but even a couple of days can obviously change like how many of those items that they still have available. So yeah, just a tip on that. Hi again. Okay, so this is round 2 of us trying to get my my bookcase from Ikea, and I also want to get a full-length mirror. So yeah, we're gonna try this again. We made sure that everything that I wanted was in stock and is there, and it is. It says it is. So here we go again. Robert and I are gonna go get ramen, I believe. Ooh, look at how cute my coat looks from Depop. Sorry. Yeah, we're probably gonna go eat and maybe grab a coffee or something, and then we'll head over to Ikea and I will show all of that. No, you're okay. So we grabbed some coffee after eating our ramen, and now we are headed to Ikea in a lot of traffic. We found it. This is where we're at. It's pretty big. Okay, they only have 6 left, and they had, well, how many? It was like, it was in the double digits when we checked. So, yeah, like, look at that. That's crazy. That's all they have left. They sell them like really fast. So we're gonna get the bookcase right now, and then we're gonna go down to the other aisle and grab the mirror. Boom, right here. I think this is the last one too.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
Good timing.
slim pickings. Alright, I can get it too if you want. I mean, I don't care.
Oh, that's more white right there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's an olive.
It's... This has been 40. I think that might be a different color.
That's nice for 50.
Yeah, it is. Look at it. Okay, so it looks like we just took the last one that was right here. And then, yeah, the bookcase actually has 2 parts to it, so I don't know. I'm glad we got it all. All right, let's go. Right now, we are trying to get the stuff into the car. You can see it's all right there. Robert's trying to put the seats down. I'm probably gonna have to sit behind him just because everything's so long, like especially the bookcase. So it's probably gonna be all the way from the back of our SUV to like into the front passenger seat. But yeah, pretty excited. It's just really, really cold right now. Got the freeway right there. Oh yeah, okay. I'm gonna try to help him get this loaded in. Okay, we got everything in the car. Look, yay! That's where I normally sit. That's where my chauffeur sits. Thank you, Robbie, for... Thank you, I'm white. Thank you, Robbie, for doing all that, like all the lifting. He did all the lifting. Sorry, anyway, what I was saying was he did all the lifting and all that. Thankfully, none of it's like super heavy. I don't think, right?
No,
like
none of heavy.
But it's just really, really, like the mirror is really wide and long, and then the bookshelf is really skinny and even longer than the mirror. I'm not sure how tall it is. But yeah, I'm really happy that I finally got this. I'll probably end the vlog here for the sake of time, and I want to show me maybe like a time lapse of me putting it together, and then we'll have fun decorating it and just making it fit into all my interior design and whatnot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Hopefully this was fun to watch, and I will see you in another video. Oh, and remember that Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye. Say bye, Robbie.
Bye.